how to set up your new Solar Cam 2K. Charge the battery of the Solar Cam. Turn on the Solar Cam by pressing the button on the bottom. The Solar Cam will stop blinking. You can stop pairing. Tap the plus button. Select the Solar Cam. Fill in your Wi-Fi information. Scan the QR code with the camera. After connecting, you can edit the name and assign the Solar Cam to a room. The Solar Cam is now added to the Hombli app. Place the mount on the wall and mark out holes for drilling. Drill the holes in the wall. Put the plugs in the holes. Attach the mount with the screws. Attach the Solar Cam to the mount. You can now adjust the Solar Cam to the right position. Enjoy using the Hombli Solar Cam. Visit Hombli.com if you need any more help with your device.